Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to those who are watching. Today we'll be tackling one of the four pillars of object-oriented programming called abstraction. Abstraction is the concept of exposing only the required essential characteristics and behavior with respect to a context. Hiding of data is known as data abstraction. In object-oriented programming language, this is implemented automatically while writing the code in a form of class and object. O diba, nalilito ka na. But while you're still processing this, let me give you real-life examples, okay? So abstraction only shows the important things to the user and hides the internal details. For example, when we ride our bikes, we only know how to ride bikes, but we don't know how it really works, diba? And also, we don't know the internal functionality of a bike. Only people who makes the bike know, except if you're a bike enthusiast, okay? So let's add another example. Let's say the phones you're holding right now. Let me say that you know how to call, text, you know how to open Facebook, how to manage Twitter, IG, you know how to chat your crush, at iba pang mga kalandian mo dyan. But we do not know how it really works on the inside, diba? So now, I think you get the gist of it. So let's proceed to making the Java abstract class and method. So we're now at our IDE, so open our IDE. So I'm using Eclipse Workspace, Eclipse IDE. So first is, well, basically, as I said, an abstract class is basically like a bunch of variables and methods that can be used to make other classes. So first, let's make our class. I'm gonna make it a, what's the name? Abstraction tutorial. Is this correct? Okay, let's make it our main class. A public static void, that would be our main class. So let's put this in our file, abstraction tutorial. So that's it. So now we have our main class. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make an abstract class, right? So you already know that. And I'm gonna make two kinds of methods. That would be an abstract method and a regular method. Okay, because an abstract method is not like a regular class. You cannot use abstract class like a regular class. So let's make an abstract class first. Abstract class. So we already said car. I already said bike. So let's try an animal. Class animal. Okay, that would be good. So let's put our method. So let's just list things that we know an animal does. So let's say public abstract void eats. An animal eats, so we know it does that. So this is our first abstract method. So we're just listing down stuff that an animal does. So next is, let's make also an abstract method. So what does an animal do rather than eat? It drinks. So public abstract void drink. Okay, after that, so let's make it a regular method. So public void what does an animal do? Sheds sleep. Okay, that's natural, we all sleep. Okay, we all sleep. Is it right? Hey ha. Okay, let's make it capital. Nope. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put an operation there. So that would be capital system .out .print line. Just gonna print in a line. Okay, you understand? So what's sound does an animal does when it's sleeping? So animal sleeps. My father does. What what does an animal do? Z z z z z z. Just like a bee. Okay, so we have that. So we just listed out everything. So we have eat, drink, sleep. That is typically what an animal does. So now we're gonna make our subclasses. Okay, our subclasses. So our subclasses, let me say that an abstract method needs to be called out. It needs to be called out. So it needs to be implemented. Okay, so the eat and the drink needs to be called out in this subclass that we're gonna make. Okay, so remember that an abstract class needs to be implemented. Okay, so let's make a class. So this is a subclass. Okay, so what's our favorite animal? Everyone's favorite animal, dog. Dog, maybe cat. Let's make cat next. Extends animal. So what this does is dog extends animal. It gets everything from animal. So it gets eat, drink, and sleep from animal. So that's it. So I told you we need to call out the abstract method. So we call out eat and drink. So that would be, let's call out first eat. So public void eat. Okay, so that's it. So system. Oh. System dot out dot print line. Oh, wrong. So what does our dog eat? Well, my favorite, let's say baby back ribs. Dog eats. Okay, baby back ribs. Put that there. Don't miss that. So we also need to call drink. Okay, so let's call on drink. Public. Okay, let's just copy this. Public void drink. Oh. Also call that. This is wrong. Drink. Public void drink. Then system that. No. Why did I put this here? I'm sorry. So it add another one. That would be public void drink. What does our dog drink? Social tayo. One of my favorite characters, that would be from Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, what does Captain Jack Sparrow drink? System that print line. Oops, sorry. Dog drinks rum. It's Captain Jack Sparrow's favorite. So dog drinks rum. So we also need to call out the abstract class animal. We need to just let me do it. It's okay. So dog, my dog equals new dog. So now we can use the dog. Yeah, we can use the dog now. So that's it. How about let's make another class. Let's make a class a cat. Let's make a cat. So let's just copy this so it will be much easier. So let's copy it. That's it. Let's make it cat. Cat. That would be, what does a cat eats? Tuna sushi roll. Okay. Other things, let's say whiskey. Is that the correct spelling? So that's it. So again, let's call it a cat. So let's just copy this. Okay. Let's make it cat. Cat again. My cat. It's a new cat. That's it. So my dog. So it will print. So my dog that eat. Okay. So also cats call out in print cat drink. My cat drink. It's okay if it doesn't have this. I just want to don't have space here. Okay, so that's basically it. It's okay, so let's try to run this. That's it. So dog eats baby back ribs, dog drinks whiskey. We didn't call out the sleep and the drink from dog and the eat from cat, so we could call it out. So let's try this. Let's try calling all of it out. My dog drink. We didn't call drink, so let's put that. Okay. Oops, we don't put that there. I always make mistakes, man. Okay, so my cat dot eat. We just said, then let's call also sleep. Let's try dog. And let's cat. Let's try cat. Cat dot. Is it capital? Sleep. Okay. That's it. So let's try running this. Okay. So dog eats baby back ribs. Dog drinks rum. Dog drinks whiskey. Cat eats tuna sushi roll. Wait, we didn't change this to be cats. I thought I was wrong. So that's basically it. So thank you for listening and making this far, because I know I'm so boring at this. But that's it. Thank you.